When I came back to start working, literally there were screws and holes, screws and nails. And you can see it everywhere.
Yeah.
So we're patching and patching and patching. So I said, China, we can't just patch and paint this. We got to retexture.
Yeah.
So, and just like the ceilings, we're going to have to repair that and repatch, retexture that area. This is called pole steep texture.
Oh, pro steep?
Yeah.
Okay.
So when we repair that, we're going to retexture to match this and then just repaint the whole ceiling.
Okay. I love it. Thank you. I
You didn't think,
I didn't think the
you
vision. I didn't know the vision. I didn't know the
I
vision.
got the vision. That's why she trusts me so much.
I see. And that's why I trust you so much. Exactly.
So you see my student here from California actually purchased a mobile home here in the state of Texas. You see her talking to my contractor. In this particular video, Makita will do a walkthrough with the contractor, and the contractor is going to tell her everything that he's going to be doing in order to rehab the mobile home and actually get the mobile home up and running for Makita to rent out, hopefully to a Section 8 tenant. If you are interested in purchasing a mobile home and you are not my student, I can help you. However, if you have to consult with too many people in order to make this deal go through, I will not be able to help you. We could do a free one-on-one Zoom, 30-minute Zoom. If you are interested in my course or either interested in purchasing a property, my phone number is 800-974-5580. This is Kelly from Heels, Deals, and Wheels mobile home investing course.
It's a 2-2. Same size.
I love it.
And what I like to do is go look at the pictures.
Mm-hmm.
You tell me they do nothing to that.
Yeah, they didn't. That was ours was better than that.
And yours is going to be completely rehabbed.
Okay.
You got a brand new kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
You got a brand new bathroom.
Right.
And both bedrooms got bathrooms in it. So even if you got 45 for it, that's a flip. That's a $15,000 gain.
And I even need to flip it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, look at it like that. It's just now from people coming and asking me to buy my homes, they're coming to me because they're tired of trying to buy these houses down here starting easily $375.
Mm-hmm.
So people
Single family home.
yeah, they want to step down. So something like this is completely rehabbed, ready to move in.
Yeah.
There's no reason why you shouldn't really get minimum $50,000.
Mm-hmm.
That brings $50,000 profit to your pocket. You didn't do nothing but just buy it and me come in and fix it up.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the extra you got.
Mm-hmm. And wait till you see the before and after.
Complete functioning kitchen.
Yes.
You got a completely rehab bathroom. Look at all that space you got.
Wait till the before and after come.
Look at all that space you got. Yeah. So if you wanted to look at
induction stove, refrigerator,
more cabinet space than you can imagine. That's that's my whole focus was. Is if you wanted to sell it, you still can.
Yeah.
Because
no, I appreciate that because that was not in my mind. I didn't even think that way. It was buy, hold, rent. That's it.
Because remember we were talking about putting the microwave here?
Yep.
If I put the microwave, I would have to raise the camera up. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put the hood here.
Okay.
Set a bit up to the roof like that one.
Yeah.
I'm going to bend out. This right here, it goes out inside the house.
Okay.
So when you turn the hood on, you bring it out the house instead of straight up. I don't like the idea of being straight up anyway. Because if that gets clogged up, it gets hot.
Exactly.
So that's the whole thing about that. See,
and I love having this is where this little thing is going to go right in the kitchen seal, right? That's what I had in mind. Thank you.
Yeah, we're going to leave that up there.
That's good storage space, yeah.
If you want like hanging stuff, like hanging pots or hanging cups,
yeah.
You can do that. But
I didn't even notice it until you said that.
But the idea was to have plenty of a functioning kitchen. What you had before was not a functioning kitchen.
No, the stove was here in the corner. So
You
when you
had-
cook,
You had one cabinet, darling.
yeah.
One. I don't know how where he kept his pots and pans in addition. That one cabinet is all he had. And this. But it had a big old pipe running through it. The vent. the one up there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it was pretty big. I remember that part. Yeah.
Maybe we could just walk room to room and say what you got left, Ron.
Oh, yeah. And I just like I was telling you before, here, when we first walked through, remember I told you I'm giving you based on what I can see.
Exactly.
He literally had pictures and stuff all over the walls, but you could see
Yes.
when we already start patching.
Patch Adams.
Yeah, this is just one room.
He was MacGyver
I don't know
all
what
through
he
this
was.
place. Yeah.
Then this, I'm completely confused about this right here. Why he punched this big old hole in the wall. Yeah, so we're gonna resheet rock all this back in, and because the walls already have texture, I can't just patch it, say it down paint it, because
Right.
you'll see every last patch mark.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna retexture the whole house, so it'll have a consistent look to it. That's especially if you want to try to sell it, you want to
Yeah.
have that consistent look. It look like somebody just came in and did that to you.
Mm-hmm. And again, I wasn't thinking that way. So thank you.
Yeah. What about the bathroom?
Oh, yeah, definitely the bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
The bathroom
Biggest
is-
project.
Right. No, bathroom done. The bathroom, let me show you what I mean. The bathroom had 3 big old holes. Right here, right here, right
Mhm.
here. What he put putty in it, it wasn't going to.
And around the drain. It was
And around
putty
the drain. So when I ripped out the old tub,
Mm-hmm.
the pipe underneath was full. So I'm like, how is he taking a bath? They weren't taking baths. So, you got a new tub. I put a new tub in here, new backwash.
And I remember in some of the videos on Heels and Wheels, sometimes your heavier set, it could crack more.
With this one,
would that have been a cause for
Well,
something like that?
not the
Breaking
kind of
the
holes he had. Usually,
Okay.
if you're heavier, they usually crack right here at the drain.
Okay.
But this one it's bottomed out, meaning the older tubs didn't have support underneath it. These new ones, they're foamed out all the way to the floor.
Okay.
So no matter who you are, you stepping around in here,
Yeah.
you won't have that loose feel. Like you feel like you're gonna look at not this one. That's
Okay.
why I bought this one.
Okay.
So even if you weigh 300-400 pounds, you're not gonna punch a hole into this tub.
That's good to know.
And he wanted to replace the vanity. Don't do that
Okay.
because it's not functional. He wanted to put a pedestal sink here. You don't want to put a pedestal
No
in small
storage.
units.
Yeah.
Now we got storage.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna put a mirror here after we retexture the wall. So you have a mirror here and put the toilet back in place. And that's it.
Okay.
Of course. Run the vinyl back through.
Love
your,
that.
your back porch.
All right.
They call themselves building a porch, but apparently because
All right.
that's what I really want you to be careful. Rachel, you feel that?
Yeah, I did. It's soft.
It's not just soft. See how you can see the studs right here? Right here?
Yeah.
The studs are not supposed to be at 44. They're supposed to be a maximum 24 inches apart. These are almost 3 feet apart. And then they didn't run it all the way through. So when you step right here,
Oh yeah.
there's no support.
You can go straight through.
So I'm going to put a support there, and I'm going to finish supporting on both sides. So you step out, which is going to the place. But that was the only thing we needed to do.
Okay. Amazing.
I guess when they had the air conditioner done, they tore the floor up. So we're literally going to cut the vinyl here, rip it up, and when we do the floor, we're going to do all the way inside the closet and in the bathroom so it gets consistent. We're going to replace carpet in both bedrooms because I don't have enough vinyl to put. Kelly and I both agree that we should put vinyl throughout because vinyl, we never come back.
I agree. Yeah, yeah.
But I'm not going to match it. So I'm just going to get some concrete. I use a really good concrete that's cheap. where you can clean it really easily. This is what I told you about the most I'm scared of. This torch. This torch scares me. You see how it shakes? It's not secure. They don't have cross beam on it. So you put cross beams on it on the outside and replace all these discs, all these planks. And I think I found a good deal that some people will use that everboard.
Okay.
So it won't ever fade out again. You ain't got to replace it again. And then it actually, if you decide to sell it, it increases the value of your house too. Yep. Yep. And all you have to do is, if you want, is repaint the roof. But leave that up to whoever decides.
Yeah.
Yep. Right?
Thank you, Ron.
And basically the same thing here. The issue is this. See how you plug the thing on the wall?
Yeah. He told us that he
Got one.
pulled it.
But it was four.
Oh, he did pull it. Wasn't
Yeah. Me and China and I had already repaired 3 of them already. But this one's got to be cut out and redone. So I'm saving this one for later.
okay.
See how it's completely torn up? I can't just put it back in the wall. You got to repair the wall and then put the plug back in.
Okay.
And just replace the carpet again. And hold on. Of course, we're going to retouch the walls too. Bathroom's nice.
Yeah.
Bathroom is very nice.
This little half bath.
Yeah, really nice.
Everything fits pretty perfect, you know?
And when we measured both rooms are the same size. So that's probably why he thought this was the master. We thought this was the master.
Mm-hmm.
Because now you got your individual bathroom.
Yeah.
And then you just have to go to the other side of the house to take a shower.
Mm-hmm.
And I still don't think they would take a shower because you couldn't take a shower in their tub. Yeah?
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
That's it.
Good thing we were on a video call.
Right?
And not in
But
person.
every wall, when I came in and did the wall clean, everything was thorough. Because he had furniture in here, he had pictures and stuff all over the wall. Even the cabinet, he had that covered up. I couldn't tell if there wasn't no door here.
I think you showed us in the video.
He showed me.
Yeah, but the video was long, though. It was like an
Oh,
hour and a
I
half.
didn't see
Yeah.
that.
He had like some curtains or something. Yeah.
Oh, because when I walked through, I could see. So when I came back to start working, literally there were screws and holes, screws and nails. And you can see it everywhere.
Yeah.
So we're patching and patching and patching. So I said, China, we can't just paint and paint this. We got to retexture.
Yeah.
So, and just like the ceilings, we're going to have to repair that and retexture that area. This is called post heat texture.
Oh, pro seat?
Yeah.
Okay.
So when we repair that, we're going to retexture to match this and then just repaint the whole ceiling.
Okay. I love it. Thank you. I
You didn't think,
didn't think the
you
vision.
didn't
I didn't know the vision. I didn't know the
I
vision.
got the vision. That's why she trusts me so much.
I see. And that's why I trust you so much. Exactly.